Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Listen to You, Not Them, from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Listen to you, not them. You let others exhaust all the strength you had left. You allowed someone's misalignment to make you feel broken. If you can take a step back, you learn the lesson is buried in the depth of your soul. You buried it with preconceived notions you received from others. Their misconceptions have nothing to do with you, but everything to do with them. If you simply listen, you learn the lesson is within the depth of your being. You'd learn nothing can steer you off course indefinitely unless you let it. You'd learn no one can steer you off course indefinitely unless you let them. Listen within and you'll know who you are, and you'll know what you came forth to be. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you. If you're able, close your eyes and think of 3 things you are grateful for from yesterday. I am grateful for a new part for my computer. I am grateful for my wife. She made me this beautiful dinner. I am grateful for my kitties. They did this funny thing. Yes, I'm just grateful for my kitties. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.